All right, good Monday morning, everybody. This week starts our crazy testing week as you guys are moving into taking the SATs for tomorrow. So today is 100% a work day to catch up on your assignments, especially because the peer marking assignment that was attached to your synthesis essay on Turnitin.com will lock today at midnight, and you will no longer be allowed to earn that assignment credit, but also you're going to miss out on some valuable feedback on those synthesis essays. So remember, you have to have your essay submitted. Remember, these are drafts. They don't have to be final polished essays. It's not a major grade. Your argument essay was a major grade. Your research paper that's due this week is a major grade. And then later on this week, when we start our rhetorical analysis, that will be a major grade. So I realize you have a lot on your plate, so today we're going to use the time to catch up. So number one priority would be to make sure your synthesis essay is uploaded to Turnitin.com and you can complete your peer marking assignment. The second thing is your Unit 8 progress check will also lock today by midnight, and you will not be allowed to take it again later. We only have one more of these to complete before your exams. So remember, this one was two different passages. One of them was rhetorical analysis with 9 questions with a more challenging text that was written in 1750. And the other was the Think Like a Writer passage, where it was like an essay draft, and you had 9 questions there. Remember, once you see your scores, if you were able to get about 50 to 60% of them correct, so maybe like 10 to 12, you're fine in terms of being able to pass that portion on the actual exam. If you're getting 50% or less correct, then we have an issue, and you need to make sure you're doing a lot of practice on that. And at least look at the descriptors for the questions that you're getting incorrect. And again, think like College Board. How would College Board want you to respond to those questions? Okay, so I put those 2 links here for you should you need them. Those of you that are not in our Zoom meeting today, so if you come to Zoom or if you're in person, you don't need to really complete this. This is more for attendance purposes. But if you're really struggling and you want to check in with me about your research paper that's due this Wednesday, this is a great place to do that. So I would like to know, especially if you're not on Zoom or in person, how much of the required portions of the final research essay have you actually completed? So would that be, did you revise your works cited page based on my comments? Did you, include all of the required pieces of text evidence and citations? Because that's really half the battle, right? Formatting your paper according to MLA. So what portions of this have been completed? Did you revise your thesis, whatever? And let me know just kind of what you have left to complete and maybe what questions you have regarding completing the actual essay. If you are a dual credit student, you will also be uploading this to Canvas for Northwest Vista, and this will serve as your final exam grade for that course, okay? If you have a B in that class, so if you had a B in my class the last 9 weeks, then that means you have a B for this semester, and so you need to get an A on this exam, if you will, this research paper, as well as my course to fix that on your transcript for Northwest Vista. So dual credit students, make sure you're checking in with me about your dual credit grades, because again, that is on your college transcript. So before you're even in college, this is something that's going to go with you. All right, if you have questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful Monday, and I will see you guys soon. Don't forget, for SATs tomorrow, if you are taking the SATs, don't worry about attendance. If you're not coming to campus to take the SATs, there will be an attendance check for you to do as soon as possible. Otherwise, it's an asynchronous day for you to work. All right, take care. Have a good one. We'll see you guys back live on Wednesday. All right, have fun.